Electric plug is used in every house. But do you know why these cuts are made on the plug? Such cuts are not found in every single plug, but most of the plugs which are made of brass or plugs made of two mixed metals, which also include brass, can often see this cut. Brass plugs are coated with nickel metal to protect them from general corrosion of the green color. Brass metal has a high coefficient of thermal expansion by volume. That is, in proportion to which the temperature increases, these metals melt and expand. And when electricity flows from inside the plug, during that time the temperature of the plug increases, and the plug melts and expands inside the socket. And when the electricity is turned off, the plug freezes into the socket in same shape as it melt. And in this case it becomes very difficult to pull out the plug, because the inner part of the socket is made of copper metal and the brass plug fits snugly into socket, and that can jam plastic sockets as well. And to deal with such a problem, these cuts made inside the plug prove to be very useful. Because, as soon as the brass starts heating up, these cuts made in the brass plug give space for that expansion. That gives the brass to expand inside the socket. And instead of getting stuck in the socket, the plug melts inside its own shape. In this way, these cuts made inside the plug prevent it from getting stuck in the socket. And this technique keeps the plug useful for longer.